Welcome to Applaud Tutorials. In this tutorial, we show you how to add other languages to your Applaud platform. Applaud supports many languages, making internationalization easier on your employee experience platform. Languages include, but are not limited to, Arabic, Spanish, French, German, Japanese, Chinese, and Polish. Before you can use these languages, you need to install them. To do this, head to the Settings page from Admin Home. Scroll down to the Languages section. In the Installed Languages field, select all the languages your organisation requires. Please contact your Applaud support representative if you can't find your required language. When you're happy with your choices, select Update. You can now change a user's preferred language on the platform. This might be based on their work country or language proficiency. To do this, head to the Users page from Admin Home. Select the user you want to update language preferences for. Head to the Preferences tab. Then select their preferred language from the Language field. Select Save when you're happy with your choice. This translates different platform elements for that user, including page titles, block titles, form labels, and more. Users can make their translation seamless by also setting their browser to their preferred language. You can also translate the data entered for model properties by heading into the individual properties of models and checking the translatable field. Most properties from models installed by templates are already marked translatable. The only exceptions are properties that do not need to be marked this way, such as name, first name, and last name. Congratulations! You have successfully completed this tutorial. Learn more at Applaud Academy or check out our knowledge base at support.applaudsolutions.com.